A local judge in Marion County is under fire for refusing to marry same-sex couples.
And of course, this comes the same day a Kentucky clerk is jailed for refusing to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples.
So we're going beyond the headlines now to find out what rights these officials have to deny gay marriages. Jennifer Dowling found out tonight. And Jennifer, what did you discover?
Well, we talked to a spokesperson for Marion County Judge Vance Day. He says it's the judge's right to refuse to marry same-sex couples. And I found out that's true with some exceptions.
Hi, Jeff. Take you, Paul.
In Oregon, there have been nearly 2,400 same-sex marriages since May of last year. That's 8% of all marriages in the state. But now one judge in Marion County is facing an ethics complaint for refusing to do those ceremonies and instead referring same-sex couples to other judges. It's something Oregonians have mixed feelings about.
And if that's the code, then I think it's up to the individual judges to search their conscience about it.
I think the Supreme Court has ruled on the matter. They said very clearly that same-sex marriage is legal in the United States, and the judge's job is to, implement the law. It's just a violation of their job, and I think they should be sacked for doing something like that.
But I found out it's within the judge's right.
In Oregon, judges don't have to marry people.
Matt Dos Santos, the legal director of ACLU of Oregon, says a court ruling in Nebraska clearly allows judges to bow out of marrying same-sex couples. But if they do, they must stop officiating all weddings.
The ethics violation would be that he took a discriminatory action by refusing same-sex couples who came to him and asked that he officiate their wedding, while at the same time officiating weddings of heterosexual couples.
Judge Day's spokesperson Patrick Corton tells KOIN 6 the judge did stop performing weddings altogether this spring. We also learned that he has applied to the Oregon Government Ethics Commission for funding to help him defend himself against the complaint. Some say it's an issue worth discussing.
As with all sorts of issues that come up, all sort of differences of opinion, it is worth looking into.
And when it comes to clerks, we found out it's a little different than judges. They are required by law to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples. And I found out in Marion County, same-sex weddings are continuing. Staff are issuing licenses to those couples, and there are other judges to perform those ceremonies. Back to you.